They're up and racing is Speedy Kim draws for your lead boss Pogi together with Sudden Burst. Then comes Mike's Dancer in between runner Showmaster followed by Forever Young Double O following by Prying Eyes. Then comes Salazam moving up on the outside is Star of Manel. New Golden City third last, second last Super Elegant while Sweet Julian is running in behind them as they round the 3/4 mile pole. We have Mike's Dancer is now setting the pace by about 2 lengths. Running in second now is Forever Young. Running in third, Sudden Verse. Then comes Showmaster Double O racing in fifth. Followed by Speedy Kim in sixth, seventh. Running by the Real Star of Manel. Running in eighth on the outside, Boss Pogi. Down in ninth is Prying Eyes. Racing in 10th at this moment, Sweet Julian. Followed by entry number 4, Salazam. Second last is New Golden City. And running at the tail of the field is Super Elegant. Heading towards the last 450, Mike's Dancer by about a length and a half. Double O now closing in second as they turn to the final 400-meter stretch run. Mike's Dancer Double O now moves up to grab the lead. Forever Young remains in third, moving up to take fourth is Star of Manel and on the outside Prying Eyes. With the last 150 more to run. Double O, Mike's Dancer fighting back once again on the outside, giving the final burst of energy and leading the finish line. It's going to be close between Mike's Dancer, Double O. Then comes Prying Eyes, Forever Young, and New Golden City for your Pentafecta.